Okay, so now that we're able to enhance the image and add a background, i-organize natin yung workspace natin. So lahat ng mga na idagdag natin sa face, let's try to group them. I-group ko to starting from the edited image kasi I don't think meron pa akong idadagdag sa face niya. I'm gonna highlight them. So from that top layer, click the bottom layer or up to that layer that you want to group and then click the folder. Oops, no. Let me just do that again. So sa blush on pala ako mag-i-start. And then to that bottom layer, yung edited image. And then i-group ko siya. Click this folder. And then rename it Enhance. I'm gonna name it Enhanced. Okay? So this is the, if I'm gonna activate my original image at i-hide ko yung aking enhanced image, lalabas yung aking original na itsura ng aking model. And if I'll activate that, so makikita natin kung ano na siya ngayon. And to activate the background, then we'll see that I have a new background. Now, kung titignan natin ito, parang, oh, okay, pwede na. But then we can still improve this para mas maging mukhang realistic by manipulating the background. So sa background, kailangan meron tayo at least blurry area at meron tayong less blurry area. Pwede rin naman clear kung ano yung mas malapit. So syempre, by the rule, kung ano yung mas malayo, yun ang mas malabo, right? Kung ano yung mas malapit, yun ang mas malinaw. So gagawin natin yan sa background. I'm gonna continue that to the next video kasi kapag masyadong mahaba yung video ko, nagsha-shut down yung aking recorder. So yes, we will do that next video.